today we see again one application of determinant, that is finding area of triangle. म्हणजे ट्रायंगलचा एरिया फाइंड करण्यासाठी सुद्धा आपल्याला डिटर्मिनंटचा यूज करता येईल. इफ the vertices of any triangles that are A, B and C are given, then the area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 in determinant x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. म्हणजे हे दिलेले पॉइंट्स घेतले, पण डिटर्मिनंट 3 by 3 ऑर्डरचा आहे, therefore we have to write 1 1 1 there. म्हणजे तिसरा कॉलम आपल्याला 1 1 1 घ्यायचा आहे. and then solve this determinant, whatever the answer, that is the answer of that area of triangle ABC. पण जर एरियाचा आन्सर 0 कधीच येणार नाही, पण जर आन्सर 0 आला तर तिथे आपल्याला त्या 3 पॉईंट्सचा ट्रायंगल मिळणार नाही. दॅट 3 पॉईंट्स आर कोलिनियर, म्हणजे ते एकच रेषीय असतील, एकाच रेषेत असतील, त्यांचा ट्रायंगल होणार नाही. इफ द पॉईंट्स ए बी सी आर कोलिनियर म्हणजे एकरेषीय, देन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC इज इक्वल टू 0. और वी कॅन ऑल्सो से दॅट इफ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इक्वल टू 0, देन द 3 पॉईंट्स आर कोलिनियर. Now we see example. First, find area of triangle whose vertices are A 5,8, B 5,0, C 1,0. म्हणजे दिलेल्या ट्रायंगलचे 3 vertices म्हणजे शिरोबिंदू. We consider the first point x1, y1, that is equal to 5,8. The second point is x2, y2, that is 5,0. And the third point is C x3, y3, that is equal to 1,0. Now we write formula of area. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 in the determinant x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 1 1 1. Put all the values. 1 by 2 5,8 5 0 1 0 1 1 1. Now we solve it. 1 by 2 5 in bracket, here cross multiplication, 0 minus 0 minus 8. Now 5 into 1 5 minus 1 plus 1, again cross multiplication, 0 minus 0, that is equal to 1 by 2. आता ही टर्म 0 होणार पूर्ण, ही पण 0 येईल. only we take middle term. 5 minus 1 4, 4 into 8 32 minus 32. 32 divided by 2 is minus 16. But area is never negative, therefore we write answer 16 square unit. Now second example is find area of triangle whose vertices are A 3 by 2, 1, B 4, 2 and C 4, minus 1 by 2. First we consider the 3 points as A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 in the determinant x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 1 1 1. Now put all these values. 1 by 2 in the determinant x1 y1 3 by 2 1 4 2 and 4 minus 1 by 2 1 1 1. That is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. 3 by 2 in bracket 2 minus plus 1 by 2 minus 1 4 minus 4 plus 1 4 into minus 1 by 2 minus 8. 4 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 4 into 2 8 is equal to 1 by 2 3 by 2. इथे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन होईल. 2 into 2 4 plus 1 5 by 2 minus 1 0 plus 1. इथे हा 2 ने 4 ला कॅन्सल. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 8, that is minus 10. That is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket 15 by 2 minus 0 minus 10 is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket. आता परत क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन. 15 3 by 2 into 5 by 2, that is 15 by 4 0 minus 10. Then taking cross multiplication, 15 minus 40 divided by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. 15 minus 40, that is minus 25 upon 4. But negative never in area is never negative, therefore we write 25 by 8 square unit. Find the value of k if the area of triangle whose vertices are p, k, 0, q, 2, 2, r, 4, 3 is 3 by 2 square unit. First we consider 3 points p, x1, y1, k, 0, q, x2, y2, 2, 2, r, x3, y3 is equal to 4, 3. Then write the formula of triangle, area of triangle 1 by 2, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, 1, 1, 1. Now area of triangle is given 3 by 2, 1 by 2 as it is. Put the values x1, y1, k0, x2, y2, 2, 2, x3, y3, 4, 3 and 1, 1, 1. Now that 2 we shift to the left side, that is in at numerator is equal to k cross multiplication 2 minus 3 minus 0, 2 minus 4 plus 1, 6 minus 8. These two get cancelled. 3 is equal to k into minus 1 minus 0 plus 1 into minus 2. 3 is equal to minus k minus 2. आता हा मायनस के आपण लेफ्टला घेऊ, 3ला राईटला. दॅट इज k इज इक्वल टू minus 2 minus 3, k is equal to minus 5. Next example is find area of quadrilateral whose vertices are a minus 3, 1, b minus 2, minus 2, c 1, 4, d 3, 1. म्हणजे इथे आपल्याला क्वाड्रिलॅटरल म्हणजे कोणताही एखादा चौकोन त्याचा एरिया फाइंड करायचा आहे. But we know that if we take a diagonal whether BD or AC, we have two triangles. If we find areas of that two triangles separately and then after taking addition we get area of quadrilateral. म्हणजे इथे आपण ABD याचा एरिया घेऊ आणि त्याच्यानंतर BCD चा एरिया घेऊ आणि मग दोघांचं ॲडिशन आपल्याला क्वाड्रिलॅटरलचा एरिया मिळेल. देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABD म्हणजे इथे आपल्याला A -3 1, B -2 2 आणि D 3, -1 1 1 1. After solving this determinant we get answer 8. Then in the same way we find area of triangle BCD, that is 1 by 2, B -2 2, C 1 4 and D 3 -1 1 1 1. After solving this determinant we get answer -27 by 2. But area never negative, therefore we write 27 by 2. Now take addition of that two triangles, that is 8 plus 27 by 2, that we get cross multiplication 16 plus 27 43 by 2 square unit, that is area of quadrilateral. Examine the collinearity of the following set of points A 3 -1, B 0 -3, C 12 5. म्हणजे इथे आपल्याला असं सांगायचं आहे की हे तीन पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर आहेत का. We know if the 3 points are collinear म्हणजे एकरेषीय, then area of triangle is equal to 0. Therefore we write area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 1 1 1. आता आपण एरिया फाइंड करू. जर आन्सर 0 आला तर हे पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर आहेत, अदरवाइज नॉट. 1 by 2 3 -1 0 -3 12 5 1 1 1 is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket 3 taking cross multiplication -3 -5 minus -1 0 -12 plus 1 0 -36 is equal to 1 by 2 3 -8 plus 1 plus 1 -12 plus 1 36. Here again minus plus 1 by 2 -24 -12 plus 36 is equal to 1 by 2 -24 -12 is -36 plus 36, that is equal to 0, and therefore we say that the 3 points are collinear.